Hi guys, in this video I thought I would show you some of the stuff we are using on an installation. The installation we are doing right now is somewhat big, 34 panels, so we need a lot of equipment. So I'll start showing over here. Here we have equipment for the framing on the roof, and these come in many different kinds and many different brands, and we use these because we like them and they are very solid, last a very long time. But there are many different available. These are for ground or earth, as you say in the UK. And these are side brackets. And this is actually ground lugs. It's used for attaching ground wiring on the roof. Some companies don't even put ground on the roof, but it's actually very, very important. So now Peter taking some extenders over here. So over here they are working on extending the rail to exactly the length that we need. So very solid how that works. You see the extender over there. So that's how that works. And here Joe is working on the combiner box. So you see the smart meter here, and here is the surge, and normal breaker, and more surge protection, breaker fuse. It's basically all different kinds of protection. So when there is an overvoltage or surge of electricity coming in, it protects the system from being destroyed, and the house obviously, but it's just different protection. In reality, they do sort of the same thing. It's just a matter of how fast they react and how much electricity they can protect against. So that's how that works. And this is ground wire. So because this is a single phase installation, we only use green, blue and brown. That's it. Green is the ground, brown is the live, and blue is the neutral. So that's it for single phase. This is just LAN cable, Ethernet, and that's PV cable, a 100-meter box there. And here we have the batteries, 2 batteries on this system. This is the 96 volt. This is the new battery for the new model from Alpha for the single phase, brand new. We have installed 2 of them already, but it really is the latest model available. For the single phase. IP65 on those batteries, and here you have brackets, special brackets for this roof. These are not normal. The normal brackets are much shorter, but for this roof we need long brackets. So there are many different kinds. These are more expensive obviously because they're longer. So that's protection for the roof for the guys. And the inverters are over here. Here we have the supporting inverter. This system gonna have 2 inverters. This is the supporting, just on grid, no batteries. And this is the main inverter. This is the new model I was talking about. The Smile G3, Smile 5. So of course later on I'll show you when it's finished and you can see what it looks like. But it's very small form factor. That's sort of the new thing, that they have been able to make it even smaller, which is obviously very, very, very nice. Okay, that's it. Yeah, okay, the meter, we have to talk about this meter. There's a special multimeter that can actually measure up to 1000 volts. So, and this is just like, you know, equipment for them to put stuff up on the roof. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, guys, take it easy.